Good morning, class 6. We were doing causes of urbanization. So I have told you there are two reasons for the causes of urbanization: natural increase in population and rural to urban migration. Now, what are natural to increase in population? Due to the ability of better medical facilities, the death rates go low, and as the death rate goes low in the urban or in towns, the population naturally increases. With the achievement of medical care and medicine facilities, people now live longer, and as this increases the overall life expectancy of people. Now, the natural increase in population occurs when the number of birth rate exceeds the number of deaths. That means when the birth rate is increasing, where the death rates decrease. Rural to urban migration, this migration is a migration where we see people from rural areas for better lifestyle and better living move towards towns and cities to have a good life. So such movement is also known as migration. Migration is influenced by economic growth and development and by technological changes, and possibly also by the social disturbance that occurs. It is the pull factors that attracts people to urban areas, and push factors drives people away from the countryside. Industrialization, as I have told you, that industrialization was the first reason for people living with their villages running towards the town. So here, most important cause of urbanization is industrialization, because people who works in industries, they stays near industrial areas, so there a new town, new place is grown up, developed in areas where industries are established. People migrate to these places for better employment, and so they start living there, having a good lifestyle from town. Social factors and modernization. Urban areas are characteristic by sophisticated technology, better infrastructure, communication, medical facilities, etc. etc. People feel that they can have a comfortable life if they come towards cities, and therefore they migrate towards the cities. Many social factors are the reason for the attraction of cities, because here the standard of living is nice, education facilities is good, status also induces people to migrate towards cities. Employment opportunities. One more thing is in agriculture, as we know, agriculture is the main occupation for the people of India. Still, many of rural people seems to live in towns, have a good lifestyle, and so they start finding jobs also, because we know agriculture is dependent upon monsoon, and if there is natural disaster like flood and drought, that population also, that agriculture also damages their lifestyle. So people migrate towards cities to find jobs and to support themselves. Gender and age. Rural to urban migration can be a selective process. In some types of people are more likely to move towards others. One of the factors involved in gender as employment opportunities are vary greatly with different jobs for men and women. Age is one more factor for urban migration. Young people, they do not like to go towards the profession that their parents used to have in villages. So to have a good life, they leave their villages and come to towns to live a luxurious life or to get all the facilities. This is also one fact why there is rural to urban areas. Okay.